go. What do you got today? Nice.
What's that?
That was a nice rollout. What do you call that?
I'm calling a fakie hand plant 180, or maybe fakie round off. For this trick, I mean, I'm not, you know, an expert by any means. I'm just relearning this trick, but I think there's a couple of things very important. You want to be able to pump and also be very comfortable fakie stall, I think, because you have to kind of go beyond fakie stall to do this trick. So I would suggest, I'll put the links to the videos that we've done about pumping and fakie stalls in the description below, because those are important skills. And then to learn this trick, try to choose a ramp that bounces. If you can, a half pipe. You could do it on a quarter ramp, but half pipe will give you a lot more tries in a run. And then something that isn't maybe concrete, ideally, like this is metal or something like wood that would bounce a bit, and at least wearing some knee pads and any other protective gear that makes you feel comfortable, because at least the first few times I had a lot of bails. So I think the first part of this is like really getting that fakie stall action. And then I skate like this. I skate with my left foot forward, right foot back. That's my normal skate stance, right? So when I go to throw it, I go this way, which would be like I'm turning my torso left, trying to throw my upper body down. So like as I'm going fakie, throw my legs beyond the coping, and then throw my upper body down toward the coping, hands to the coping or near the coping, and then fling the legs over. So the way you might start, like as a first step to doing this, like maybe not going totally high, like maybe just going like part way. Like I go and I look at the coping. See, I tap it, right?
You're looking at the coping.
I'm looking at that coping, I'm tapping it, see? I'm looking at that coping, I'm stalling on it.
Okay.
I'm looking at it, I turn my head forward,
okay.
And I just, okay, that would probably be step one. You get that upper body, turn, lower body, turn, and slide. And then over time, try to get your legs under you.
So the crash isn't too bad if you just slide like that underneath.
Yeah, if you have decent knee pads, and especially if you have a ramp that flexes like this, it has give, it's really not, it's forgiving. It's not that bad, right? So again, it's working up to that. And Kevin always tells me when he watches this trick that it works out better the longer you wait to throw it. Like if you throw it too low, it doesn't give you much time. Try to throw it, wait as long as you can toward that coping to throw it, wait longer, he says.
I see.
And yeah, so let's give that a try again, all right? All right.
Well, I
So
sure
again,
can't.
I'm pumping.
I can't do it.
I'm looking for that coping, tapping it. And kind of looking under and tapping it. And I'm thinking about, I'm gonna change the direction of my upper body and do that.
Nice.
So really, you know, it's like you're, like in my standard, whatever you want to call it, fakie stance is like this, right? So when I go to do the trick, I kind of like switch it. You know, my standard,
really?
my standard, if you notice, when I'm pumping, I'm like this, right? I'm like, my shoulders open like that, right? See? That's my normal, that's how I normally skate on a ramp, right? So, when I go to throw it, I'm gonna throw my shoulders to the other way, to the left.
I see.
Right? All right, so, yeah, I know it's a little rough. I'm sliding out on those toe stops, but it's a start. Hopefully it gives y'all something to work with. If you know another name for this trick, please let me know. I'd love to hear it. Please comment, share, subscribe. We'll see you next time. Bye-bye.